Welcome, you guys. Welcome to Tenacity Academy. Okay, so I've been having a lot of people ask me what Tenacity Academy is actually about. So I decided to put together this wonderful webinar for you guys, just explaining to you guys what we do in Tenacity Academy. Okay, so welcome to Tenacity Academy. Um, the first thing we do, the first thing I want to talk about is what is Tenacity Academy, right? So, Tenacity Academy is a mentorship program where me, Mrs. Johnson, I'm the mentor. I will be personally mentoring you, okay? And we help small cleaning business owners with the structure of their business. As you can see right here, it says helping others by building a strong foundation. Yes. Not only do we help you build the strong foundation for your cleaning company, because I know in the beginning you may be lost, you don't know what to do. So we help you out with the beginning process and laying that foundation. Not only that, but we help out with the convenience. Okay, so right here where it says convenience, you see VIP access to a mentor. Yes, you have VIP access to a mentor to help answer any questions to challenge you may be facing, two challenges that you may be facing. I'm sorry. So that's a biggie right there. Having the convenience to email me and say, hey, I need a consultation call. I'm having an issue. And me being able to just walk you through all of your trials and tribulations for 3 months. We actually have 2 different programs, and I'll get into that later on. But having the convenience of having a mentor. I don't know why some people have a big head and they feel like, I don't need nobody, I can do this, I can figure it out, I can look at all the YouTube videos and take notes and I can just figure it out. Well, you go ahead with your bad self if you can do that. For me, in the beginning, I did that. I looked at YouTube videos, podcasts, all the free stuff. I did all the free stuff possible until I realized I needed some help, some guidance, because it's only but so much you can do by yourself. You cannot become a millionaire by yourself. You're going to need some type of help, some type of guidance. So when I realized that, that's when I myself turned to getting a mentor. Okay. So we help you out with the convenience. We have the convenience of direct access to you will have the convenience of direct access to a mentor. Not only that, we help you out with personalization. Okay. Right here it says find out what you are struggling with the most in a step-by-step process to create value. Okay. And what that means is, I actually create videos that personalize videos for you that you may be struggling in a marketing, and I may create like a personalized video just for marketing for you in your situation, and just to help you out in your situation or whatever you're dealing with. Or you might just be struggling and getting leads. We actually get leads for our mentees as well. So this is like a business in a box, you guys. I'm telling you, this is like a business in a box, right? So yeah, that's one thing that we help people out with: personalization. I personalize my videos just for you. Okay. So next, how did all this stuff get started? Right? This is a good question. A lot of people want to know the backstory on Tenacity Academy and Tenacity Clean. So let's start with Tenacity Clean first. The reason I decided to start a cleaning business is because the cleaning industry is very, very well. For one, I had experience in cleaning. Not only that, but the cleaning industry was an easy startup for me. Like it was very easy for me to get started in the cleaning company, and it was very low cost. So I had experience. It was easy for me to get started, and it did not cost a lot of money. So I felt like this was the perfect business for me to get started in. Uh, do I have a passion for cleaning? Like cleaning toilets every morning? Like, oh my God, this is what I want to do. I have a passion for cleaning toilets. Hell no. I don't have no passion whatsoever for cleaning no toilets. But I think my passion is more on the business side, and it's more on the it's on the business side, and it's on the helping people outside. I love to help people. So that's it. You know what I mean? I started my cleaning company because I had the experience. Um, I was having a very hard time finding a job. Okay, and the only type of jobs that I could get was cleaning jobs because I had something on my background. So I could only get like the low cleaning company jobs that were paying like $8 and $9 an hour. So I didn't frown upon that moment, even though it was hard times. I didn't frown upon it. I just took it as a learning lesson. I say, you know what, I'm going to utilize this and I'm going to do something out of it. But I'm not going to let the situation make or break me. I'm not going to let it break me. I'm going to get something out of this. So that was my mind frame. I was very determined, and I turned nothing into something. Okay. So how did Tenacity Academy come along? I started Tenacity Academy during the pandemic, actually, when my cleaning company started to pause, everything started to slow down in my cleaning company. I had to figure something out. So we started doing disinfectant cleans, and my disinfectant cleans started to pick up just a little bit. I lost all my Airbnbs. Move outs were going pretty good still. But work still had to slow down. So I had to figure something out. So I said, how can I serve? How else can I serve people? And I was already giving away free information and helping people for free. So I thought, why not turn this thing into a academy and really be able to serve people? So I came up with Tenacity Academy. Okay. And Tenacity Academy actually helps others. It's a company that helps others create generational wealth. Okay. Not only that, but Tenacity Academy is a lifestyle changing program. This is a company that I built. I just thought about all of the trials and tribulations that I went through starting my cleaning company, where I didn't know anything about flyers. I didn't know anything about commercials. I didn't know anything about websites or email addresses or how to get clients. Like I knew nothing. So I thought about all of the things in the beginning that I struggled with, and I put all of my knowledge into courses, and I just created a program with that. And I didn't think that it would turn into what it's turning into now, but it's actually working, and it's actually helping people. And we actually have real testimonials where our program has helped people grow and blossom their cleaning companies. So I'm really proud of that. And we're helping other cleaning companies build a six-figure business and beyond, So I wish I had Tenacity Academy. I wish I had a Tenacity Academy to like join when I first started my cleaning company, man, because this movement is really blossoming into something really great. I mean, it's words can't even explain how big I feel like Tenacity Academy will be in the future, So I'm proud of it. Everything is going really good, and that's one of the reasons how we got started. Okay.